Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to change your streaks emoji on Snapchat. Let's go. Are you bored of the same old fire emoji on your Snapchat streaks? Do you want to switch it up and have something more interesting? First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Friends Emoji. Once you find it, tap on it. Now it will show you all the emojis that you can change. Simply tap where it says Snap Streak. You'll get the ability to change the emoji of the Snap Streak to whatever emoji you want. Simply tap on the emoji that you want, and it will be changed. Your Snapchat streak, or Snap Streak, tracks how many days in a row you and a friend have sent snaps to each other. Keeping up a Snapchat streak gives you extra points for your Snapchat score. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.